Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a project share for you. As you guys can see by the title above, it's a huge shaker. And I was inspired by, she's Junior's wifey on Instagram. I think she's Jun Cry on here, 314. I'll link her down below. Her name is Crystal. And she had posted a video showing her projects that she made for a swap that she's currently in. And I fell in love, and I definitely wanted to recreate, super inspired. And that's where this project that I'm going to show you guys basically came from. So you guys, I had this hoop that's kind of like an oval shape in my stash, and I thought it would be the perfect one to use as a shaker. I love how Crystal did the tool on both sides, so the tool does not touch. How cute did this turn out? I absolutely love it. The top of the embroidery hoop, I left it at the bottom. As you can see, it's right there. So it's hidden behind the ephemera pieces that I put here because I really didn't want anything on the top. I added pom-pom trim all the way around the edge. And then I added this other trim that I had also from Michael's. And you can see it has like a little, kind of like a skirt effect on the ends, like a little curling. So I did that all the way around the hoop. And then we have the tool, and it is like flocked with some little pink glitters. Is that what it's called? Flocked? And then, you guys, look at this mix. This mix was sent to me by one of my pals. I just don't remember. I think it was Lisa. Lisa sent me this mix. How beautiful is that? Isn't this beautiful, you guys? I love it. I love it. I put her whole, she had sent it to me in like this little Tic Tac container, and I put the whole thing in here because it's big enough to hold it. And then of course I used some ephemera pieces from the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. The little deer right here is from the same collection. I added a cute little bow. I added a little pom-pom tail. Some cute little gems here just to give it a little something. And you guys, I love how it turned out. And then I just spelled out with these stickers, and these stickers are, let me see, these stickers are the Celebrate ones, and I love these because they go with everything. And this is what they're called. I'm not sure what collection it's from, if it's from any collection, but Celebrate. So those are the ones that I use to spell out the word dream. And then of course at the end, like when I had already finished, I decided to add a cute little pom-pom here, and I just took off the little handle. But yeah, you guys, I think it turned out super cute, and it's super easy. I wish I had another one to make one. I have to buy another one of these because I like the shape of this one, so I have to find some more of these to make, or maybe I might make a different one, like with the round ones. But I love how it turned out. That's what it looks like in the back. So everything is like seamless. I didn't leave anything, you know, looking crazy. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. Tell me down below what you like best about this cute little shaker. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.